Hi, I'm David Prim. I'm a PhD student in biomedical engineering, and I'm also the Vice President of Carolina Biotech Group. I'm here today with Cody McHale, our Director of Consulting, and William Becker, our Director of Outreach. Our organization was founded by PhD students who saw a gap in our current training. Our programs and our advisors prepare us with the scientific knowledge and technical skills through coursework and research. But that training is geared more towards the traditional academic career paths. These days, really only a small percentage of PhD graduates actually end up in tenure track faculty positions, something like 10% depending on the major. We started CBG to help educate graduate students and young professionals about the many other career opportunities that are available to us in biotech, pharmaceutical, medical device, healthcare, and other related industries. One of the main tenets of our organization is that we believe putting smart, motivated, young individuals together serves to benefit everyone. So we're open not just to students in the sciences, but also law, business, and any other field who might be interested in biotech and these other related fields. Another part of our mission is to help prepare students to pursue these career paths once they decide which path it is that they choose to follow. For that, I'm going to let Cody and Will talk to you a little more about some of the other programs we're doing.
So my name again is Cody McHale. I'm the Director of Consulting for the Carolina Biotech Group. And I'd like to touch on what David actually just said, is that we want to really help prepare our students to apply the things that they learn in the classroom and in the lab, and then take those and apply them outside of the classroom and the lab. So my job is to help actively engage our members in consulting projects. These consulting projects range over a wide variety of things. We've worked with pharma, we've worked with biotech, we've worked with engineering and machining, we even work with some data collection agencies. And what we really try to do is to immerse our members into what it's like to actually work in industry, and to take our technical skills and apply those in a real market. So currently one of the things we're doing is working with a local pharmaceutical company. We've also worked, as I said, with an engineering and manufacturing company to build some exercise equipment. So we've done a very large variety of things as our consulting project, and really the consulting is bi-directional. We want to do two things. Number one, we want to get our members experience in the private sector, but number two, and not any less important, we want to help fuel startup and biotech in South Carolina. And we think we can do that by providing some of these smaller and startup companies with our consulting services that they might not normally have the ability to seek out or the ability to pay for. We are a nonprofit organization that often works to our benefit, and we really think we do good work. I'll pass that off to Will.
Thanks, Cody. And I'm Will Becker, Director of Outreach here at the Carolina Biotech Group. And at CBG, our overarching goal is to provide the skills and experience necessary for our membership, our diverse membership, to get the job they want after they graduate. We do this in a number of ways. One of the ways is we invite local industry experts here to give seminars and for our members to learn from their experience. And in doing so, we can build off that experience and form success for our membership. Another way is we perform consulting projects, as Cody mentioned. This gives our members excellent opportunity for real-world experience with local companies in the science and biomedical arena to get experience working in these companies locally, so that they have an access to these companies, they get experience working with them, and they make connections with these people that can lead to jobs, or they can put it on their resume. It's very beneficial for our members. And then the last thing we're really trying to do, the main goal of CBG, is to provide education for our members so that they can foster their own success later on in their careers. We do this by offering a number of opportunities and events for our members, like networking events where they can meet other young professionals, industry leaders like I mentioned previously, as well as networking and what's the word? Professional development, but workshops where our members can work on skills that will aid them in the future, such as professional development, business, biotech-related things, intellectual property, and entrepreneurship. I think I said that twice, but that's it.
All right, thanks, guys. If you think you're interested in what we have to offer, we'd love to talk more, learn more about you, you can visit our website at carolinabiotechgroup.com. Thank you.